post pick that we have offered you in 30 years as we approach our July anniversary.
Well, and this is the most feature-packed GPS we've been able to make available to you today. What makes this one different? Clearly, you've got a lot of choices out there in the GPS market, a sea of options. What makes this one really special is this is the only one in the marketplace today, Magellan, that has that exclusive relationship with AAA, which means not only do you get the whole tour guide loaded,
Right.
which is your entertainment guide to, it's one thing to have the points of interest, to have the hotels and restaurants, it's great, but to have the reviews and to have the amenities and to have all that detail is wonderful. Further, to have the roadside assistance at the push of a button right here, you're going to be able to have access to roadside assistance if you need it. How about having your exact location?
Look at that.
You've got the intersection that's before you.
I mean, if you're lost, you could tell like a law enforcement officer, I had a flat tire on the side of a freeway, and here's where I am.
Yeah, here's the intersection before me, behind me. Here's my latitude and longitude. This is my precise location. I mean, at the touch of a button, you're there. You've got help when you need it, which is really nice for a lot of you. Hopefully you won't need this, but if you do, you've got it. If you're not a member of AAA, keep in mind you still have access to roadside assistance. You're just going to pay for it. If you'd like to enroll, there is a special offer for Magellan Maestro customers, and that number's there for you. AAA is wonderful for summer travel. Here's your one-touch access to home. Okay, you need route to home, there you go. No matter, remember, GPS always knows where you are.
That's awesome.
Okay.
You know what I'd like to do? Let me quickly just go through everything.